same way you can put it on your stick. You can put it on your arm, always looking at the top. Kind of move around. If you watch any of the contact juggling, this is how you learn how to balance something, creating error in your movement. So arms, legs, balance it on the foot. Balance it on your knee. That's the sound of me thinking. You can balance it on your face. If you're going to balance it on your chin, make sure you have your head further back than you think and spot the very top. Because most times you think you have it all the way up, but right now it's tilted forward. If you're using a tall object, have the heavy end up top, and that way it's easier to get under it.